Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic is controlling project duration. So how we can control the project durations? So first, rationales for reducing project durations. There are there are following factors in rationale for reducing project durations. Number one, time is money. The cost time trade-off. Reducing the times of a critical activities usually incur additional direct cost. Cost time solutions focus on reducing activities on the critical path to shorten overall durations of project. Reasons for imposed project duration dates. Time to market pressure, unforeseen delay, incentive contract imposed deadlines and contract commitments, overhead and public goodwill cost, pressure to move resources to other projects. After forward, option for accelerating project completions, resolving not constraint, adding resources, understanding project work, scheduling our time, establishment a core project team to it twice fast and the correctly. Resources constraint, fast tracking, critical chain, reducing project scopes, and compromise qualities. All these things we have accelerate the project. After forward, explanations of project cost. So in project cost, first project indirect cost. The project indirect cost is said that cost that can't be associated with any particular work package for or project activity. Supervisions, administrations, consultant and interest costs that rarely increase with times. Reducing project time directly reduce indirect cost. Project indirect cost. We have discussed project indirect cost. Then we have discussed project direct cost. Normally, project that can be assigned directly to a specific work package or project activity. Labor, material, equipment, and subcontractor. Pricing activities increase direct cost. Reducing project duration to reduce project cost. So if we have control the project duration, so we have control the project cost. They are following process to reduce the project durations. Number one, identify direct cost to reduce the project times. So gathering information about direct or indirect cost to specific project durations. Research critical activities for lowest direct cost activities to shorten project duration. Computer total cost for specific durations and compare to benefit of reducing project time. This is a project cost duration graph. After forward, constructing a project cost duration graph. How can construct a project duration graph? So there are following points. Number one, find total direct cost for selecting project duration. Number two, find total indirect cost for selecting project duration. Number three, some direct or indirect cost for these selected project durations. Number four, compare additional cost alternative for benefits. The rationale of selecting critical activities depend on identify the activity, normal and crash times and corresponding cost. Determine activities to shorten the activities with the smallest increase in cost per unit of time. Shortening an activity is called crushing. Normal time for an activity represents low cost, realistic, efficient method for completing an activity under normal conditions. The shortened possible time an activity can realistically be completed in is called its crush time. The direct cost for completing an activity in its crush time is called crush cost. The crush points represent the maximum point at activity can compressed. There are following assumptions. Number one, cost relation in linear. Normal time assumption cost, low cost efficient method to complete the activity. Crush time represent a limit. The greatest time reduce possible under realistic conditions. Slope represent a constant slope per unit of time. All accelerations must occur within the normal and crush time. So practical consideration using the project cost duration graph. Number 1, crush time. Number 2, linearity assumption. Number 3, choose of activities of crush revisited. Number 4, and finally time reduce decisions and sensitivity. Using the project cost duration graph, cost time, crash time, linear assumptions, and following are these below. Thank you.